Ever pondered, what if an AI chatbot could handle all my professional writing tasks? Imagine chatbots that manage our writing tasks, generate tell stories, and update on current events. It's reality, thanks to services like Gemini Advanced and ChatGPT Plus. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more insights. Before we delve deeper into our comparison of Gemini Advanced and ChatGPT Plus, let's acknowledge AI's history. The artificial intelligence emerged in 1956 at Dartmouth College. Since then, we've evolved from basic machines to advanced platforms like chatbots. This transformation has been possible due to continuous technological advancements. So, as we compare Gemini Advanced and ChatGPT, remember, we're standing on the shoulders of decades of progress. Now let's dive into the strengths and weaknesses of these two platforms. Comparing these two platforms, we find that each has strengths and weaknesses. Gemini Advanced is praised for rapid response times and current information. Contrarily, ChatGPT Plus excels at generating graphics, but struggles with text integration and produces verbose outputs. In this segment, we will delve into real-life user experiences and applications of AI chatbots, a technology once part of science fiction that's now shaping our everyday lives. AI, once an abstract concept, is now a tangible tool shaping our reality. It's not a distant, obscure machine, but a part of our homes, our offices, and our phones, transforming our lives. Consider, for instance, Gemini Advanced, a remarkable AI chatbot. It quickly provides accurate content, ideal for businesses and professionals. It's like having a virtual assistant ready to assist you with your professional needs. Gemini Advanced isn't just a tool, it's an intelligent aid delivering real-time results, working tirelessly to provide you with accurate information. On the contrary, we have ChatGPT, another powerful AI tool with great creative abilities. A blessing for content creators or graphic designers, ChatGPT Plus generates a variety of graphics, bringing your vision to life. It's not just a tool, it's a creative partner, helping you express your ideas. This segment isn't just about us. We want to hear from you, our viewers, about your experiences with these AI tools. Have Gemini Advanced or ChatGPT Plus helped you create something cool or solved a seemingly impossible problem? Share your experiences in the comments below. Your insights are valuable. They're lessons that can help others understand the potential of these AI tools. They show how AI can boost productivity, enhance creativity, and simplify lives. AI is here to stay, and it's improving. As we journey through technological advancement, we crave your stories. Don't hold back. Let us know in the comments section below. Your experiences and insights could help others better understand the potential of these AI tools and how they can be utilized in various fields. When it comes to pricing, both platforms offer competitive rates. They cater to different users, with cost varying as per specific needs. Gemini Advanced handles various tasks, while ChatGPT Plus focuses on specific ones, limiting its versatility. In today's digital age, personalization is key, especially in AI chatbots. Both Gemini Advanced and ChatGPT Plus offer customization. Gemini allows fine-tuning, ideal for personalization. ChatGPT Plus shines with a user-friendly interface. User experience preference matters when choosing a chatbot. Remember, the best chatbot aligns with your needs. Stay tuned till the end to learn about the future of AI chatbots. The choice between Gemini Advanced and ChatGPT Plus is based on individual needs and preferences. Gemini is perfect for business writing and staying updated, while ChatGPT suits those into graphic design and storytelling. In conclusion, both Gemini Advanced and ChatGPT Plus are pioneers in AI chatbot subscription services. They're designed to serve professionals and AI enthusiasts alike. They represent the ever-evolving world of AI. So, Gemini Advanced or ChatGPT Plus, which one will you choose? Until the next, stay tuned, stay curious.